Yo, what's up guys, Ryan again here, and today we'll be sharing with you how to take awesome photos of yourself for your Instagram by yourself where you don't have to rely on anybody to help you. All you're going to be using is your trusty little, lovely little GoPro. I love you. Mwah. So if you're into that, let's get right into it. To make this happen, you're going to need a few things. First thing you're going to need is actually the GoPro and a frame. Boom. Vertical GoPro frame from GoPro. Secondly, you're going to need a big tripod stick so you can get the camera up off the ground so you can take pictures of yourself in a full body scenario. It doesn't stand up on its own, so we're going to need a little tripod for the bottom. Screws in like this. Boom, boom, boom. Now you have a stable base. This is a Manfrotto Pixie. Links in the description. Now that we know that, let's go outside and take some pictures. All right, so I'm out here at the first location, and as you can see, I'm standing in a pretty dope spot. It's got some good trees and stuff behind me. These are what's called leading lines. When you're trying to take good photos with a GoPro, look for good architecture. Look for good symmetrical places that you can place yourself in the middle of or off to one side that looks really, really cool. And that's how you get a really engaging photos from Instagram. Okay, so the settings I'm using for this shot is actually my GoPro is set on the half-second time-lapse photo, and I'm gonna mix between linear and wide to kind of see which one looks better. Linear being no fisheye, wide being a lot. So let's check them out. All right, so the first pictures I'm gonna take are gonna be in linear mode, so there's gonna be no fisheyes. Next up, we have wide mode, and that's where it has a fisheye, the GoPro's big, wide open lens. So let's take some pictures. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'd love to know in the comment section, which do you like better, the linear or the wide? I'm a big fan of the wide when it comes to photos. I think it just makes them look really, really good with letting in all the architecture, the scenery and everything. You can just see a whole lot, but not everybody shares that view. I'd love to know which one you guys think is better. Leave a comment below and let me know. If you want to know how I've edited all of these final photos, I have a playlist up here, or I'll link it down in the description, which shows you how I edit and take all of my photos, as well as there's a link to a 22-minute GoPro tutorial all about how to take epic GoPro photos like these for your Instagram. So that's it. Hope you guys like this. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I make new videos every week showing you guys how to make yourself look awesome using nothing more than your GoPro. Peace.